Oh, kinda, and then it puts your arms all the way up at your head.
Sure.
Okay, right in here.
Yeah.
Big breath. And then out. Sink all the way down. Oh, there we go. A little different when you twist your own back, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Uh-huh. All right, got a little more down here. Okay. All right. Grab this back out. Freaking magnet. There you go. Let me think here. What do I want to do next with it? I'll go down here with your legs. Stand on your feet all day anyway. All right. Oh wow, it's already popping on us. Holy crap. There we go. Woo! Yeah, those ones.
that felt good.
Yeah, that was your entire ankle and foot. I think we got about 20 out of the foot bones and ankle bones there. Okay, and then these were real tight, right? Okay, bend this here. We're going in and out. Like 5 of these. Same here, like 5 of these. Okay. All right, lay on your side, face this way. Like you're laying on the couch, and then I'll do the rest. Just like that. Let me see your arm. Let me see this leg. Let me see this here. We got a self popper here. Cracks her own back every single day. Oh, jeez.
Oh my god. My god.
Do the other one. Okay, I'll get this side here too. Go like this here.
You do a little bit better than I do.
Yeah, no kidding. I'd hope so. Right here.
Oh,
Ooh, go on your back. Holy smokes.
oh my
Put this down in here. That was freaking nasty. Did it make you feel sweaty or you feel okay? Some people
okay.
get
like a little bit, like,
lift your head real quick. There you go.
but not bad.
See, now this crap, that hurts because
that
of work. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't feel good.
Okay, 0 to 10, what is that, would you say, pressure-wise?
Like 7?
Okay, tell me when it hits a 5. You'll feel it kind of just start going down, and it won't hurt nearly as bad.
I don't know. I feel like up here it's over here.
Tell me when it's not in your forehead.
Okay.
It might take 30 seconds. Except for when I'm pushing, 30 seconds feels like 10 minutes.
Okay. Like,
Not in your forehead?
not as bad.
Tell me when it's gone out of the forehead. You said you don't really get headaches though, right?
Mm-mm.
That's a plus.
I don't know. I still feel it.
It's okay. Stay right there. What would you say?
Okay.
0?
It's probably the wrong one.
Okay. 0 to 10 on where my fingers at. What did you say?
Probably 4.
Okay. Does this one go in the forehead?
No.
Good. Those tender?
Yeah.
One worse than the other?
No.
No? Okay.
Oh.
That's tight.
Yeah.
Where'd you feel that to?
Like,
Just in the upper back?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was super tight. Do you self-crack your neck?
No.
Okay. That's a start.
I'm scared of my neck. I don't crack it.
Tight?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay, that spot there is pretty nasty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Get all your hair out of here. There you go. You're good. You're good. You're good. And then just go just like this here. It's just be a little twitch right there at that little sore spot, okay? And then you drop these muscles.
Oh my god. Holy cow.
There you go. First timer. You got all that out of there now.
That felt so good.
You're lucky you don't have headaches, to be honest with you.
Oh.
If they ever do start up, like, pay attention right away. Where it's like all of a sudden raining, and you have 1 a week for a month. Then all of a sudden you're like, yeah, it's like 2 weeks. Dramatically pay attention to that, because with what you do, it's really common because you're here. So you load that all day, and it just starts, where them spots were referring into your head, they'll get active where they're bothering you without working, and it makes that there, and it feels like a headache, and it's just like tension, and you can totally keep it from happening, but people just ride it to where all of a sudden they have 3 a week, 10 years from now, and they just deal with it, and they're like, I don't even remember not having them, and it's from doing this all day. It's like you do shrugs all day, it's like just, it's going to fail.
That one made me sweaty.
Oh, yeah. This one here, I got you, you're good. This one here is going to be a little different. I gotta go down a little bit lower here. Good. You drop that muscle. Okay.
That feels so weird.
It does, doesn't it?
It feels so weird though.
Yeah. It's odd because it's not like as much pressure. You feel like they'd be like, it's not. You just don't feel anything. Okay, this one here you're gonna like. Turn your head that way. Take a big breath in, and then breathe out. Relax your whole shoulder. Drop this.
Oh my god.
Then breathe out. Turn your head right. There we go. There. Easy peasy. I know.
No, I'm really sweaty.
Uh-huh. You gonna go back out in the cold? This here should be a little better now. There we go. You're okay for a sec. You can kill it.
I'm sweaty.
Oh, it's fine. There it goes.
That felt so weird.
I know, right? But you're doing this all day with your hands. What's this in here? Relax your elbow down. That one feels pretty good. Did you see the elbow pop last night? The one I loaded? Oh my god, it sounds like her arm broke.
Really?
Yeah. It's crazy how loud it is. But she came in and was like, it's stuck. It like won't lock out. All right, you're done. What's that feel like?
Feels good.
Stand up, just check your lower back.
Feels nice. I don't really feel anything, so that's good.
See what it does. Yeah, I would like to see if you go the whole day and you don't feel like there's like a vice grip on it.
There for this one. Oh. That felt so good. Oh, that felt so good. That was a good one. I don't know if you've done that one on me.
That other one was just hanging up a little bit. There we go. Well done.
That felt so good. How did you learn to like edit your videos and stuff? Just taught yourself?
Drawn it?
So just have me looking at it?
Okay, let's see here. You don't have a... I need to relax your hand anyway. There we go. Relax your hand down. Okay, roll this out. What's this one?